Pony crossing the river. There lived an old horse and a pony in the pasture. One day the old horse said to the pony, "Baby, you have grown up. Can you do something for Mom?" "Mom, I'd love to help you." "That's good. You carry this bag of wheat to the mill." "Yes, Mom." Then the pony took the wheat and ran to the mill. Running, running. A small river blocked the way. The river is rushing. The pony is in a dilemma. "I wonder if I can go there." If his mother is around, ask him what to do. How nice is that? But he's far from home. The pony looks around. "I saw an old cow grazing by the river." The pony went to the old cow and asked Uncle Neil, "Please tell me, can I cross this river?" The water is shallow enough for the calf to wade through. The pony listened to the old cow, is raising his feet to cross the river. Suddenly a squirrel jumped down from the tree. Stop him and yell, "Pony, don't cross the river. You'll drown." The pony is surprised. "Why? Is the water deep?" "Yeah, it's pretty deep. A friend of mine yesterday fell into this river and drowned." The pony quickly stopped. "I didn't know what to do." And he sighed. "I thought I'd better go home and ask my mother." The pony flicked its tail and ran home. Mom asked him, "Baby, why are you back?" The pony said sheepishly that a river was blocking the way. "I can't get through." "Isn't that river shallow?" "Yeah, Uncle Nia said that too. But the squirrel says the river is deep and drowned his partner. So is the river deep or shallow?" Have you thought through their words? Mom, I haven't thought about it yet. Children don't use their brains just to listen to others. It doesn't work if you don't try it. Whether the river is deep or shallow, just give it a try and you'll know. The pony listened to his mother's words. Run to the river again. Just lifted the premise. The squirrel screamed again, "Pony, what's the matter? You don't want to die." Squirrel, is the river deep or shallow? I want to give it a try. After the pony finished speaking, he went down the river, walking cautiously in the river. It turns out that the river is not as shallow as the old cow said. It's not as deep as the squirrel says. Finally, the pony happily crossed the river, ran to the wooden house. This story tells us that think independently when encountering problems. You can't just listen to other people's opinions. Try it yourself to understand the truth of the matter. Different people have different situations. Make a judgment based on your actual situation.